The Little Red Hen. Press the space bar. Once upon a time, there was a little red hen who lived on a big farm. She lived there with her 3 yellow chicks. One morning, as they were busily scratching about the yard looking for something to eat, the little red hen found some grains of wheat. "Look," she said, "I found some grains of wheat. Who will help me plant them?" "Not I," said the cat. "I am hunting mice." "Not I," said the pig. "It's time for my snack." "Not I," said the duck. "I am going down to the pond for a swim." "Then I will plant them myself," said the little red hen, and she did. "The seeds need water to sprout," said the little red hen. "Who will help me water the garden?" "Not I," said the cat. "I don't like to get wet." "Not I," said the pig. "I don't like to get dirty." "Not I," said the duck. "I don't like to get muddy." "Then I will water the garden myself," said the little red hen, and she did. After a while, some weeds started growing among the stalks of wheat. "Now, who will help me pull the weeds?" asked the little red hen. "Not I," said the cat. "I am busy." "Not I," said the pig. "I can't tell the difference between the weeds and the wheat." "Not I," said the duck. "That doesn't sound like fun." "Then I will pull the weeds myself," said the little red hen, and she did. After a while, the wheat began to ripen. "What fine wheat we have," said the cat, pig, and the duck. "Yes, indeed, the wheat is ready to harvest," said the little red hen. "Now who will help me cut it?" "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the pig. "Not I," said the duck. "Then I will cut it myself," said the little red hen, and she did. She cut the grain off the stalks and put them in a bag. "Now who will take this wheat to the mill to be ground into flour?" asked the little red hen. "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the pig. "Not I," said the duck. "Then I will take it myself," said the little red hen, and she did. The little red hen trotted off to the mill. A few hours later she came back with a sack of flour. "Now, who will help me make this flour into bread?" asked the little red hen. "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the pig. "Not I," said the duck. "Then I will make it myself," said the little red hen, and she did. Soon the dough was ready for the oven. "Now, who will help me bake the bread?" asked the Little Red Hen. "Not I," said the Cat. "I need a nap." "Not I," said the Pig. "I need to rest." "Not I," said the Duck. "I need to groom myself." "Then I will bake it myself," said the Little Red Hen, and she did. The Little Red Hen put the warm bread on the kitchen table. The Cat, Pig, and Duck were hungry. They came into the kitchen ready to eat the bread. "Now, who will help me eat this bread?" asked the Little Red Hen. "I will," said the Cat. "I will," said the Pig. "I will," said the Duck. "Oh, no, you won't," said the Little Red Hen. "You did not help me plant the seeds, water the garden, pull the weeds, cut the wheat, go to the mill, or make the bread. Now my chicks and I will eat the bread." Not a crumb was left for the Cat, Pig, or the Duck. The end.